I want to talk a little bit first, before I announce the winners, build up some tension here, about PrecisionFDA, because many of you may not know what that is. So last year, December 15th, the FDA launched PrecisionFDA, which is an online cloud-based virtual research space for researchers, software designers, test developers, and investigators, to work together, to collaborate, creating open source tools and analytics to streamline the evaluation of NGS test performance. The ultimate goal of PrecisionFDA is to foster innovation and develop regulatory science around NGS tests. So what we're trying to do is build a community around next generation sequencing in order to advance regulatory science. So the community, there's been a large community response, and we appreciate that. Thank you for those who have participated. In March, the Global Alliance for Genomics and Health, with 375 member organizations, chose PrecisionFDA as the platform for the group's benchmarking tools. And in April, PrecisionFDA earned the 2016 BioIT World Best Practices Award for Informatics. The community currently boasts more than 1,500 users from 600 organizations with more than 10 terabytes of genetic data. To engage users and encourage sharing of data and ideas, PrecisionFDA has offered 2 competitions to date. These competitions are motivating the community members to demonstrate the effectiveness of these tools, test the capabilities of the PrecisionFDA platform, and engage the community in discussions and data analysis that will provide new insights and serve as a comprehensive source of information about reference data sequencing and existing software pipelines used to analyze sequencing results. For the first challenge, the consistency challenge, we had 21 entries from 17 submitters. We utilized the whole gene sequence from a known human sample donated by Garvin and Human Longevity. So special thanks to Garvin and Human Longevity. This particular known sample is from Genome in a Bottle, NA12878. What Garvin and Human Longevity provided was it's sequenced in 2 different locations. If you would like to know more about the results of the consistency challenge, you can certainly go to precision.fda.gov. Next, I want to talk a little bit about the truth challenge. That's the challenge that we're going to award today. It was designed in collaboration with Genome in the Bottle Consortium, the National Institute for Standards and Technology, and the Global Alliance for Genomics and Health. And it followed immediately after the consistency challenge. Participants were invited to test their informatics pipelines on 2 data sets, one from the well-characterized Genome in a Bottle NA12878 reference sample, and another from a new reference sample, HG002, of which the truth sets were unknown. HG002 is the first new reference standard sample since NA12878 in 2014. Researchers from around the world use NA12878 as training data for assessing pipeline performance. I'm sure you all know that. And it was arguably been one of the most studied biospecimens. What makes this challenge so unique and exciting that scientists had the opportunity to test the performance of their NGS pipelines on a reference sample and associated call set in which pipelines had not been trained on. Working together with a GA4GH team to analyze the results has been an incredibly positive learning experience. It has already led to many improvements in the comparator software that GA4GH has developed, benchmarking team developed, and to the definition of benchmarking metrics. The goal of the Truth Challenge was about assessing the accuracy of informatics pipelines when analyzing a human sample whose truth is unknown. The second challenge closed on May 26, 2016, with 35 entries across 21 teams, spanning 5 countries. NIST and Genome in a Bottle released the truth set immediately after on May 27th. The data set that resulted from the Truth Challenge is the ultimate reward. and can hopefully be used to inform future approaches, not only in terms of regulatory science, but also for reference materials and benchmarking methodologies. We'd like to encourage ongoing analysis of this data set as our comparator tools continue to improve, in part thanks to the availability of these new data sets. The results presented here are just the first step using a newly developed, more granular comparator tool, and by no means are the final word from the community on this data set. You can learn more about the Truth Challenge, the new reference data sample HG002, and explore the results at precision.fda.gov. Members of the PrecisionFDA team, NIST, Genome in the Bottle, and GA4GH, as well as participants of the Truth Challenge, will be available for Q&A at the DNA Nexus booth 240 at 3:30. So let's talk about the winners. For achieving the highest SNP performance, the award goes to Verily Life Sciences team. Is there anyone from Verily Life Sciences team here? Would you come up, please? Congratulations. For achieving the highest SNP precision, the award goes to the Garvin Institute team. Is there somebody here from the Garvin Institute? One or more people from Garvin? Well, congratulations. For achieving the highest SNP recall and highest indel precision, the award goes to the Sentient team. I think we have a couple representatives from the Sentient team. Congratulations again. Thank you. Thank you. For achieving the highest indel recall and highest indel performance, the award goes to Deepak Grover from Sanofi Genzyme, and I think I saw him here. Yes, there he is.